Hi, in this video, we are going to dip our toes into how we can use Copilot for Microsoft 365 along with Excel together. And one of the simple use case of using Excel with Copilot for Microsoft 365 is helping you to make formulas. Hi, my name is Paresh and you're watching 365 Pros. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I hope you do, and also click the bell icon so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. Now, in this particular video, we are going to talk about very simple formulas just to get started. And then obviously in our upcoming videos, we'll go much more advanced. So I have this Excel file, which has been sent by my manager, and I need to run few statistics on it, right? So it basically shows me the revenue for the company that I'm working for from January to December, and it shows the revenue for each year. All right. So what I need to do is I need to calculate the total and the average for each year. Now, obviously, anyone with very basic Excel expertise can run the sum and the average, which is the simplest thing. But what we want to do is we want the Copilot to generate the formula for us, because if it can do these simple steps, then definitely it can do many more things as well. All right, so let's just go ahead and have a look. So I'll go to my Microsoft Copilot for 365, and I'm going to write a prompt over here. So what I'm going to say is, you're an Excel formula advisor. Please create an Excel formula for cell B15 that sums up everything from B2 to B13. So we want our total over here in B15, and all we want is to sum up everything from B2 to B13, and that's what we have asked Copilot to do. All right. Now, this particular prompt, you can also use that in your chat GPT as well. So if you're using chat GPT, you can use the same prompt as well. All right. So let's just go ahead and click on send. So obviously it's a very simple thing, but we want to see if Copilot can generate the formula for us. All right. So you can see that the Copilot has definitely used some function and generated the formula for us. So all we can do is we can just copy this. All right. And then use this and paste it over here. All right. And as you can see, it is summing up everything from B2 to B13. And then you can click on enter to get the answer. All right. Now, instead of total, we want to calculate average. So can the Copilot do that? So let's just have a look. So what I'm going to say over here is, instead of sum, please get the average for me. All right. And click on send. So this time I haven't specified any particular cell or anything. It's just going to see what was there before and then use the same data to convert the formula. Instead of sum, it will convert it to average. Okay, so we have the average function over here, so we can copy this again and we can paste it over here, and this will give our answer, right? And obviously what we can do is we can just extend this to calculate the columns C and D as well. All right. Now, this was a very simple use case, and we definitely can get more advanced. But it is cool how you can just describe to Copilot for Microsoft 365 where the data is, what type of formula you want, and it basically writes it for you. I hope you like this video, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel 365 Pros and keep watching and stay tuned. Bye for now.